What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I want to take you through a project that came across my desk that honestly I believe could be game changing. And as I went through and navigated to check what it was all about and go through some examples and figure some stuff out for myself, it really opened my eyes to honestly how game changing this could be. Now, who really knows exactly how many people are going to get onto this and see this as a larger benefit, but honestly, I don't know how you can. But let's talk about Inspect in this video. I'm going to take you through everything there is to know about it, as well as take you through my thoughts within it, and also take you through some examples, just like I said. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. You know, it does help out the channel. Also, you can check out all of Inspect's links. They should be down there as well. This is a sponsored video, so thank you, Inspect, for sponsoring this video here. But first, let's answer the question, what is Inspect? If we go through CoinMarketCap, this is the definition that's broken down. Inspect serves as a cornerstone of Web3, introducing an innovative Layer 2 solution specifically crafted to enrich user experiences across expansive social ecosystems like X, or formerly known as Twitter. As an integral Layer 2 infrastructure for X, Inspect seamlessly grants users access to a comprehensive suite of meticulously designed products and tools. These resources are dedicated to offering invaluable insights and essential functionalities, empowering users to navigate the dynamic realms of cryptocurrency and NFTs with unparalleled ease. And through Inspect, users are equipped with a decisive advantage within the crypto sphere. The platform houses an array of tools thoughtfully curated to provide individuals with enhanced market analysis capabilities and a deeper comprehension of social movements within the cryptocurrency domain. This comprehensive tool set not only furnishes users with real-time analytics and insights, but also facilitates informed decision-making and fosters improved engagement with the ever-evolving crypto and NFT markets. Now, what does all this mean? Basically, Inspect is giving you another look, a further look into cryptocurrency, but in a platform that you know and love, right? It's built for X. So as you go through, you're going to be using it in X. And all you have to do, like if we scroll down here, all you have to do is download the extension. You download the extension, you connect it to your X account, and you start exploring. It's that simple. And you're like, what do you really get out of that? Well, an example, again, you would download the Chrome extension. You can go and look at a video here to really break this down to understand what it really does. But again, it's simple. It's built for the platform that you know and love, which is X. And as you go through, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies without leaving X. You can go and discover things. You can go and check things out. You get a better look at the cryptocurrencies that you are looking at just by going through their normal pages. Honestly, it is something that's game changing, because while you're doing your research over on these platforms like X, you now, for like, say, popularity and what it's doing, you're gaining so much more out of the deal. So if I had to give you an example, if I had to go through this myself, as I go through Twitter and I wanted to maybe look at BNB chain, as I go into BNB chain, since I have the Chrome extension installed, I can now click on this Inspect tool. And instead of having just follow there, you have Inspect. So you click Inspect, and it's going to give you all of this data, like if you were in a cryptocurrency exchange or if you were in CoinMarketCap. And you're basically going to be able to see, the price of it, where it is, the overview of it, different news that's coming with it, the markets that's available to trade on, what it's all about. You can go to different pieces here, whether it's the contract or go to, the website, or go wherever you want within it and learn more information about it as you're on X. Like we're not We're not even off of X. We're still on X. It's built for this platform. So honestly, it's something that brings a ton of attention to crypto, because you're able to implement this Chrome extension, research everything you want to research without leaving X, and then you can eventually buy within this as well. So they're doing a lot of big things here, a lot of big things that I think it's going to be huge for the crypto market. They're also establishing partnerships. They have a partnership with PAL AI. So they have a partnership with PAL AI, and they're basically diving deeper into the AI side of things as well, and implementing that within X for their tools for X. They also have Alex Becker that has come on and has claimed this as a top 15 coin there. And he revealed his top 100 gaming coins. And you're also going to look at Inspect, that is a major player within here. So it's definitely something that you look at and I go, okay, what about this is game changing? What about this is, turning heads? And in reality, it's turning heads every time I would use it. So if I use it on stream, it would turn heads. As you are using it yourself, you're going to notice that it may be something that's game changing for your overall strategy and where you shop for cryptocurrency. You also have a larger partner with SEI, and I know a lot of people that are hype around SEI network and the connections that are there. So being able to have that connection, with SEI as well, big deal. They just had a Twitter Spaces, I believe, not too long ago, going over SEI. Let me see if I can actually find it. So I believe they had a Twitter Spaces not too long ago where it was, so Inspect and SEI, and talking about that partnership. If you want to go in there and listen to what that's all about, feel free to go ahead and listen to that as well. But again, they're doing big things here. I can't complain about any project that's doing big things. So let's end this by going into the chart and understanding where it is chart-wise and different places that it's available on. So different exchanges that you're able to buy it on. They just had a recent launch with KUCOIN and BYBIT, and they have BingX and all of that, right? If we go into the coin market cap, you could see KUCOIN, BYBIT, you see BitGet, Gate.io, BingX. They have 19 different pairings that you can trade this on. So it definitely has the ability to gain more and more of that popularity and volume. And where it currently stands is about $2.5 million in volume, but in the market cap, it's sitting at about a $33 million market cap. I'm looking at this and I'm going, I really want to make a move into this, because even though it doesn't really have as much history, when you look at all history, it's only showing up to 31 cents and the highest point being at 31 cents. It's early stages. Early stages, making big moves within exchanges, big moves within partnerships, and big moves on the platforms that I know and love, a place to where I utilize that every day pretty much. And honestly, it's changing the way that I use that platform. So I think that people need to definitely check this out, even if they're just going to use the extension. Definitely check it out, because it could open your eyes to checking a certain position just by going in there and going to their Twitter page and then clicking Inspect, and now you have what that position is and it pops up. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Make sure you guys check out some of the links down below for Inspect, and you'll be able to go everywhere, and also download the Chrome extension. I'm not telling you to invest in anything. None of this is financial advice, but what I will do is tell you to download that Chrome extension, because it has been, a pleasure for me to use it. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out the links down below. Thank you to Inspect for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.